Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Honda CB500X adventure sport bike. Twin cylinder 500, fuel injected, liquid cooled, beautiful metallic silver paint scheme. This bike only has 2,500 miles. This is a fantastic commuter. Great bike for the Bay Area. It can do it all. It's got some nice upgrades, little mechanical cruise control, some fat foot pegs, center stand, so makes that chain easy to maintain. It's got another horn on it too, so that's a little louder. Come by, make your adventure sport lightweight dreams come true. This awesome 500X. Price to sell just $59.99. Check it out. Makes an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. At any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Give me that horn, Rob. There you go. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.